Talofa Lava, my name is Measina Playgroup and welcome to Measina Playgroup's first ever live on Facebook. Thank you all for joining us. We're going to start by singing the Talofa Lava song, so I'll run you through it. So we're going to start with Talofa Lava, Lava Lava, so that we're saying hello, Talofa Lava, Lava Lava. And then we're going to say, Pofa pefe mai oto. How are you all? Say that again. Pofa pefe mai oto. And then we answer with, Olo uma lolo ina lele. I'm very well. And then we say, Fa fetai. Yeah? Thank you. So, Talofa lava, lava lava. Po'ofa pefe mai oto, olo malolo ina lele, fa fetai. Yeah. So how are you all today? Oh, sorry. Hello, talofa lava lava. Po'ofa pefe mai oto. How are you all today? Olo malolo ina lele. I'm very well. Fa fetai. So we'll put that in the song. Excuse my voice. Okay. Talofa lava lava lava, pofa pefe mai oto, lo malolo ina lele, fa fetai. Sing that again. Talofa lava lava lava, pofa pefe mai oto, lo malolo ina lele. So that was our Talofa Lava song. We are going to start off our playgroup with a short activity. So we ask for you all to bring some things with you to playgroup today. So today we have the ipu tea, which is a cup, the ipu ma fola fola, which is a plate. We have the tui, which is a fork, the sipuni is a spoon, and a knifey, which is a knife. And so we are going to tapena le lau lau ai. So we're going to set the table for when we eat. Let's sit down. So in the middle, what do you think we have in the middle? Do we put the ipu tea in the middle of our setting? In there? Is that where the ipu tea goes? Excuse me. Yes? No? Does the ipu tea go on this side of the table? No. So the ipu tea goes right up here. So, you see? Ipu tea goes up here. What do we put? Where do we put the ipu ma fola fola? Does it go over here? Does it go over here? Does it go over here? No. The ipu ma fola fola goes right in the middle of our table. So, yeah. And then we have our, what is this called? Do you remember? Do you remember what this is called? So this is a knife in English, but when we speak in Samoan, we call it a knifey. Can I hear you say that? Knifey. Lele tele. So the knifey doesn't go on this side. It goes here, just next to, underneath the ipu tea. Yeah? So then we have, what is this called? Do you remember? Is this a knifey? No. Is this a ipu tea? No, this is a ipu tea. This is a sipuni. Can you say that? Sipuni. Later. So the sipuni goes here. But it goes right next to the plate. the ipu mafula fula. Yeah. Then we have our last part. What is this one called, guys? Yes, so in English we call this a fork, but in Samoan it's called a tui. Can we say that, everyone? Tui. Yeah. And so the tui goes next to the sipuni. So they're friends, yeah? So we have our tui, our sipuni, and we have the ipu mafula fula. They're gonna fall. Let me put them there. Then we have our knifey and our ipu tea. And so when we sit down to eat, we know how to tapena le lau lau ai. Can we say that? Tapena le lau lau ai. Lele tele. And so that just means that we can set our table when it's time to eat. So let's go through these again. So we had the ipu tea, which is a cup. The ipu mafula fula, which is our plate. The sipuni, which is a spoon. The tui, which is a fork. The knifey, which is our knife. Okay, so what are some things that we put on our plate when it's time to eat? Food, mea ai. And so today we have a orange. We didn't cover it, but the orange in Samoan is called the moli. Can you say that? Moli. Lele tele. Then we also have the fala. Can you say that? Fala. Lele tele. Then we have the meleni. Can you say meleni? Lele tele. Then we have the fa'i. Can you say fa'i? Fa'i. Lele tele. So let's go through those again. We had our moli, which is an orange. Our fala, which is a pineapple. Our meleni, which is a watermelon. Our fa'i, which is a banana. Lele tele. So the mea ai that we eat go on our, sorry, that's very loud. So we put our mea ai on our ipu mafula fula. What was this again? Ipu mafula fula. Can you say that? Ipu mafula fula. Lele tele. Okay. So we've learned how to tapena le lau lau ai. So we've set our table for us to eat. We've eaten some food. And now we are going to, what are we going to do? We're going to read a book. Okay. Where is our book? Where is this? Okay. So today we're going to be reading a book called Lanu. Sorry, can you see that? Lanu. Lanu means color. That's really odd. Okay. So our first says Fatu Mumu. Who knows what Fatu Mumu is? So Fatu is heart and Mumu is red. So we have a red heart. Fatu Mumu. Our next word is Fetu Sama Sama. Who knows what Fetu Sama Sama is? So Fetu is a star And sama is, what color do you think that is? Do you think it's red? No, because we just read mumu, lanu mumu is red. So sama is yellow. So we have yellow star. Can you see that? Oh, there it is. Ooh. Okay. Okay, now we have tafa tolu lanu moana. Tafa tolu. Do we know what tafa tolu means? So tafa tolu is 3 sides. So 3-sided shape is, what's a 3-sided shape? That's right, it's a triangle. So we have tafa tolu, which is a triangle, lanu moana. What's lanu moana? What do you think lanu moana is? Oh, I've just shown you. Tafa tolu lanu moana is blue triangle. So now we have li'o lanu mea mata. So a li'o is a circle, and lanu mea mata is it red? No, because lanu mumu is red. Is it yellow? No, because sama is yellow. So lanu mea mata is green. So we have a green circle. Li'o lanu mea mata. Our next one is taimane uli uli. So who knows what a taimane is? Is it a circle? No. A li'o is a circle. A taimane is a, you guessed it, it's a diamond. So we have a diamond, but what color is our diamond? Is uli uli red? No. Lanu mumu is red. Uli uli is, what color? Can you guess? It's black. So we have a taimane uli uli, a black diamond. So then we have tafafa pae pae. So tafafa. Fa means 4 and tafa is side. So we have 4 sides. What shape has 4 sides? Does a triangle have 4 sides? No, because it's a tafa tolu. Does a li'o have 4 sides? No, because a li'o is a circle. A tafafa is a square, and pae pae is white. So we have a white square. And that is the end of our story time today. We're going to learn a quick song. I'm sorry, a quick dance. And so we're going to start with crossing our legs. So I can't really do it on my chair, but you can do it at home. Fatai lovai. Cross your legs. So sit with your legs crossed. Sit up straight. Head up. Okay. Now when I say mili mili mili, you're going to rub your hands together like this. Can you do that really fast? Mili 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 mili. Rub 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 rub. Okay. So mili 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 mili. Are you rubbing? Oh, can you do it really fast? Mili 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 mili. Good work. Then we're going to do patia, clap. Patia, patia. Can you try that? Patia, patia. Start from the beginning with that. Mili 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 mili. Rub your hands. Patia, patia. Then we're going to do lua pati, which is 2 claps. Lua pati, yeah? Lua pati, lua pati. Okay, let's start from the beginning with mili mili mili. Ready? Mili 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 mili. Patia, patia. Lua pati, lua pati. Then I'm going to say hey, hey, and you're going to answer with ho. Are you ready? Hey, hey, ho! So we're going to start that from the beginning. Mili, 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 mili. Patia, patia. Luopati, luopati. Hey, hey, ho! Good work. Okay. Then we are going to find my animals. Who knows what this animal is? Do you know what that animal is? That animal is a tiger. But in Samoan we call it a tiger. Okay. What sound does a tiger make? Can you make a tiger sound for me? Okay. So the tiger goes rah. Yeah? Can you do that for me? Rah! Good work. Okay, then we have, what's that? Can you see what that animal is? What animal is that? Do you know? It's a cow. So in Samoan we say povi. Can you say povi? So you're going to say, when I say tangi mai le povi, I'm asking you what sound does the povi make? What sound does a cow make? Yeah? So tangi mai le povi. Oh, what sound does the cow make? Moo. So pretend we're a cow. Say moo. Yeah? Tangi mai le povi. Moo. Okay. That was our povi. Then we're going to do tangi mai le snake. Tangi mai le ngata. Tangi mai le snake is, what sound does the snake make? Can you say it louder? What sound does a snake make? That's right. Snake goes sss. Can you do that? Sss. So let's try that again. From the beginning, we've got tangi mai le tiger. What sound does a tiger make? Rah! Tangi mai le povi. Moo! Tangi mai le ngata. Yeah? So let's try that again. Tangi mai le tiger. Tangi mai le tiger. Rah! Tangi mai le povi. Moo! Tangi mai le ngata. So let's start that from the beginning with our mili, mili, mili. Who remembers what mili, mili, mili is? Yes. So we're rubbing our hands together. We say mili, 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 mili. Patia, patia. Luopati, luopati. Hey, hey. Ho. Good work. And then we do tangi mai le tiger. Rah. Can I hear that again? Tangi mai le tiger. Rah. So you gotta say it loud like a tiger. You can't be like a isumu, like a mouse. You gotta be loud like a lion. Yes? So, oh, it's a tiger. Sorry. Loud like a tiger. Rah! And then we have tangi mai le povi. Moo. Tangi mai le ngata. So let's start that again from the mili, mili, mili. Are you ready? Okay. Mili, 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 mili. Patia, patia. Luopati, luopati. Hey, hey. Ho. Tangi mai le tiger. Rah. Tangi mai le povi. Moo. Tangi mai le ngata. Lele tele. Okay. So let me just do that again. Let's try that again. And then we'll add on a new bit. Okay. So we go mili, 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 mili. Patia, patia. Luopati, luopati. Hey, hey. Ho. Tangi mai le tiger. Rah. Tangi mai le povi. Moo. Tangi mai le ngata. And then we're going to go clap, 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 talofa. Yeah, can we try that again? Tap, slap, clap, clap, talofa. Okay, so slap, slap, clap, clap, talofa. Can we try that? Slap, slap, clap, clap, talofa. Okay, let's add that all together from the beginning, and then next week we will finish our salsa. Yes? So we're going to start with the mili, mili, mili. Then we're going to go patia, which is a clap. Little pati, 2 claps. I say hey, hey, and you answer with ho. Yes. Then we do tangi mai le taika. Tangi mai le povi. Moo. Tangi mai le ngata. Then we do slap, slap, clap, clap, talofa. Are we ready? Have we got that? Shall we do that again one more time slowly? So we go mili, 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 patia, patia, lo pati, hey, hey, ho. Then we do tangi mai le tiger. Remember, you got to be loud like a tiger. Rah. Tangi mai le povi. Moo. Tangi mai le ngata. Then we do slap, slap, clap, clap, talofa. Yeah, so this is our right hand out and our left hand is touching our right hand. So we go talofa. Okay, let's try that again. So we go mili, 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 patia, patia, lo pati, hey, hey, ho. Then we do tangi mai le taika, rah. Tangi mai le povi, moo. Tangi mai le ngata, slap, slap, clap, clap, talofa. Has everyone got that? Can we give me a thumbs up if you've got it? Yes? No? Okay. Okay, we'll do that one more time before we sing our tofa song. Okay, so mili, 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 patia, patia, lo pati, hey, hey, ho. So sit with our legs crossed. Remember, we've got our legs crossed. Then we do tangi mai le taika, rah. Tangi mai le povi, moo. Tangi mai le ngata. Slap, slap, clap, clap, talofa. Later. Yes. And so to end our playgroup today, we're going to sing our tofa song. So the tofa song is Tu ua nei lea onga. Class is finished. Tātou te whaatofa. It's time to say goodbye. Tofa, tofa, ia mana tua Yesu. So goodbye, goodbye. Remember Jesus Christ. Yes. So tu ua nei lea onga. Tātou te whaatofa. Tofa, tofa, ia mana tua Yesu. Tofa, tofa, ia mana tua Yesu. Whaftai te le lava, manui le aso.